So now let's start with creating enterprise structure. First, in command line put in SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, which you can also click F5 to get into the screen for customizing. In customizing, there are a number of options given by SAP for an SAP consultant to customize his projects. Getting into enterprise structure, here we are concerned with two tabs of three given here, that is definition and assignment of enterprise structure, wherein we will be creating organizational structure, organizational units, and assign the same to create an enterprise structure. Define, get into financial accounting for creating enterprise structure of company. Here we will be talking about creating company, which is through either OX15 or through SPRO, which you are seeing here on the screen. Now, company is a highest logical entity in financial accounting of SAP. While creating company, you will be getting different options for creating company. That is, you get into the new entries first. Then you have the first screen, the first item over here is an ID of the company which you create for easier understanding in the system. You give the name of the company. You might have more than one name. You can do that, give an address, or so on and so forth. But we are concerned with three of the tabs given here, that is country, language key, and currency. Country we are choosing India, language key English, currency INR, that is Indian rupees, and then we save the entry. Now this screen is for saving the customization request. Here the code you have given. Now you create credit control area. Again new entries, ID for the credit control area, currency, that is INR. You define a credit limit according to your choice. Save it. Save the customizing request. Now here you can describe the credit control area, or rather give the name to the credit control area which has been created. Save. Now get into creation of company code. Create company code, that is copy. Remember, here we are going to only use copy. Why? Because there are number of areas or objects which need to be copied, which humanly is not possible for an individual to create all of them. So we take an easier way out of copying the standard company code given by SAP, that is 1000. The views copy 1000 company code given by SAP. So now here we are seeing, if you see at the bottom side, there is an entry which is seen, that is 17% associated tables red, and so on. Now you will see every time you will see that these kind of entries popping up, that is tables are red and other objects are being copied over here. Now here 1000 company code which we give is copied from company code to company code which we want. Say yes, yes to all the entries over here. Currency INR, get ahead. Yes, yes. Don't worry about all these things, what exactly are. Go ahead, say yes to all the entries over here. Now again you see there are, now it's 5% tables copied, 7% tables copied, 9% tables copied. These are the tables which are running in the background and associated with the customizing. These are technical information which we are not worried about right now, but these entries need to be copied, and hence we are using the function of copying and not creating company code. This is the reason why we said we are going to copy and not create a company code. That is, we are not going to start from the scratch. We'll easier our process. We'll make our own life easier as an SAP consultant. Of course, you need not share this information with your client. So now 94% of the tables are coming copied. We are waiting here for company code to get copied to our own company code. From 1000 to our own company code, we are waiting for that company code to be created. Here addresses are being copied. It's done. Now we save this customizing request. Once this customizing request is saved, your company code has been created. That's it. Simple. Copy. Copy. Yes. Yes. Again. Yes. Basically, all these are the warning messages which you get from a system pops up. Whether you want to continue, you can wait and watch these warning messages. But for now, we are going to say yes. Now, get into edit company code data. Here you are going to save the information, or rather enter the information specific to your company code data. Because 1000 is a standard company code from where we have copied our own code. Get into position. Choose our own company code which we have copied from this thing. Give a name which we require. Change the city, currency, country, language. Again, save your customizing request.